right, here we are. One level living here in the town of East Lyme. This is 420 Boston Post Road, and Boston Post Road is right here. East to Flanders, west brings you to Old Lyme. And this home is situated up on 1.85 acres. I want to just show you something in the back here that's really special. This is 1,888 square feet. Basically, it's 2 bathrooms and it has 3 bedrooms. And you can see we've got abundant parking right here. This is a detached 2-car garage. This home actually has a nice southern exposure. I want to just bring you to the back yard right here. This 1.85 acres. Take a look at the survey map, the boundary shape that I've got in the still photos. But you can see nice level land here. Got a little shed back here. It's rolling downhill to the south. But this is a beautiful spot. And if you're looking to have a home that's got 1 floor living, this is ripe for being able to do your updates, and you still got your 2-car garage. Look at this little meadow area, partially cleared. The home does have central AC condensers right here. Even got a little koi pond right here. Kind of a nice little feature. And we'll take you through the house in no time. Back in the rear of the home, we've got the back entrance right here. That back entrance has the first floor washer dryer. You've got your kitchen and your great room or family room, if you will, which is huge. But let's get you through this house. I would schedule your showings right away. Get a hold of your favorite agent or contact me as the listing agent. We can get you in here. What's also history-wise with this home, front entrance used to be here. When we get through the inside, you'll see that that was all closed off. And this is your front entrance. Let's get you inside here and see what this home has to offer. All right, let's see what the inside has to offer here. And you will immediately notice and be drawn to this cathedral ceiling here. All finished with wood. Our family room right here, expansive with the bay window. That looks up at the driveway toward the front of the home. Sunken fireplace area, gas fireplace right there. But this adds to the sense of space of this home. The volumetrics make it feel a little bit bigger. Right here, dining room. And the history of the home is from this corner right here to this corner right here. This is non-load bearing. This closes off the living room if you look at the floor plan. Right here is the built-ins. Love the view to the backyard. You've got your detached 2-car garage right there. And being nearly 2 acres, what's beautiful about this home is you've got this secluded feeling because you don't have any other homes in view. And what I really like, this setup right here, this window combination above the kitchen sink, it's excellent in terms of the lighting, looking out to the southeast. Oven right there, dishwasher. You've got your cooktop, very livable. Washer dryer right here, the fridge right here. This mud entry is really the primary entry only because of the fact that you've got the rear garage. Little fold-up table right here, eating, garbage disposal. That doesn't work. We'll do the basement last, but just remember that. Here's that living room that I was saying. From this wall right here to this wall right here. If you want more open concept, you can definitely close that in. Another gas log. The original entrance, the sidewalk came up to the front steps of the home because where the current family room is, so this is where the original front door used to be, where the place is that used to be a garage back there until they built the other garage. So this space right here used to be the one-car garage. I love this hallway. The reason I like it, a lot of light comes in through the skylight right here. When it's not cloudy and it's beautiful and sunny, this hallway is really bright. We're going to go to the left front corner of the home. We've got a vaulted ceiling right here. This is adding to the sense of the space of the primary. You can obviously see the cedar closet. Underneath this carpet in all 3 bedrooms, you've got natural hardwood. So this hardwood continues into these rooms. You could easily go and refinish that hardwood. Bedroom 2, left rear. Again, you cannot see another home from these rooms. Reach-in closet right there. Bedroom 3, dead center, essentially. Another cedar closet. Carpet can be removed, floor can be refinished. Linen right here. We've got the vanity. Toilet is right behind this little half-wall tub shower right here. And you've even got a little linen closet right here. Let's take a peek at the lower level. So we've got the first floor covered. Now let's show you the potential that you've got in this unfinished, really lower level. And I'm going to say it's unfinished because it's really ripe for getting finished. So you've got electric hot water heater right there. You've got your breaker panel main service right here. This is a 100-amp service. Lots of breakers, lots opening. You've got your well, you've got your oil tank. Your oil tank comes into behind this refrigerator. There's a room right there where you can do your reading. You've got your oil-fired furnace right here behind this door. And this is a blank slate. This has got heat down here. And you've got the unfinished rec room. You've even got an old summer kitchen right here. Here's that bulkhead door that goes back up to the exterior. Little storage space back here. And then bath 2 is right here. Old shower, toilet. 100% ready for some HGTV updates to be applied. So I would get your showing scheduled. If you want to roll up your sleeves, sweat some equity, this is a house that would be for you. And it is prime and ready for updates.